Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into another fun idiom, under the weather. So, what does it mean to be under the weather? Well, it has nothing to do with rain or storms. It actually means you're feeling a bit sick or unwell. For example, if your friend says, "I can't come to the party because I'm feeling under the weather," they mean they're not feeling well enough to go. But why under the weather? Well, it comes from old sailors who used to say this when they weren't feeling well because of rough weather at sea. If they were under the weather, they stayed below deck. Here is an example on how to use this idiom in a conversation. Hey, are you okay? Not really. I've been feeling under the weather all day.
I am just feeling under the weather.
Yeah, heard you were under the weather.
You under the weather too?
Now it's your turn. In the comments below, tell me when you last felt under the weather. And don't forget, learning English doesn't have to be difficult, even on those days when you're feeling a little under the weather. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the other videos in our idiom series. You'll find lots of useful expressions that'll help you sound like a native speaker in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new lesson.